Tips and tricks on how to become a successful affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to establish a good income with little or no overhead at all. Just a whole lot of honest hard work, dedication, and of course, good information. This video is designed to provide you with some excellent advice on the business of affiliate marketing and help you find your way in and around it to a nice, consistent profit. Know the tracking processes that your affiliates use to track visitors from your website to theirs and on to successful sales. Make sure that these tracking procedures are robust and cover sales that get made offline. Inadequate customer tracking can cost you money in commissions that your affiliates rightly owe you for the sales that you generate. Keep searching for high commissions. A company that only pays a tiny percentage is much less likely to value your customer/reader base. Look out for those that offer a commission in at least the double-digit percentage range. These companies are more likely to respect their clients, and by default, yours. Pre-sell the offers that you want your readers to buy. Just adding a link to a product is not going to make you much money. Explain why you love the product and why you are someone they should listen to. Include the benefits that you have received from the products. To assure your affiliating marketing is effective, check your results regularly. Pay attention to when and why you saw better or worse results for your link. If a link is getting good click-through, but not resulting in sales, you may want to do more to promote the product. If a link isn't getting clicked, try changing the placement of the link. If a marketing aspect just is not working for your company, do not be afraid to cut it off. If no one on your mailing list likes receiving newsletters, and you have noticed that many people have unsubscribed, there is no reason to continue sending them out. Simply explain to the remaining subscribers that you will no longer be continuing the letter. If you plan on being successful with affiliate marketing, you should write videos. It is crucial that you know everything there is to know about your product. In order to achieve this, you have to research and write videos. When writing videos, include a link to your site in the resource box. Don't let your affiliate ads go stale. Review your content from time to time. Update and add new affiliate links to keep it interesting and pertinent for your readers. Doing this encourages readers to keep checking back to see what's new. It will also improve your search engine ratings. There may seem to be a million and one things to remember about affiliate marketing, so many different things to think of and take care of to cultivate your online earnings from it. Hopefully, this video has enlightened you somewhat to the complexity and confusion, and you are now ready to embark on a career change to affiliate marketing that could very well change your life. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, You will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.